Hello, my name is Todd Hardwick and I'm the business manager here at Alphasense. Today I'm excited to announce the launch of our new PIDX line of PID sensors. PID sensors have become the de facto standard for measurements of volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, in applications for industrial safety, compliance, and environmental air quality. PID sensors can sense down to ppb levels in a small, cost-effective package. Alphasense has been providing PID sensors for over 20 years. We've listened to the feedback that we've gotten from our customers and address these issues and make a big step forward in our next generation line of PID sensors. There are 5 main advantages of the PIDX sensor. The first one is repeatable performance sensor to sensor. The second one is we monitor the lamp output so we can provide fault detection when the lamp is not outputting proper intensity. We have made significant improvements in the environmental performance. You get consistent performance throughout a wide variety of temperature and humidity conditions. We also have the lowest power draw in the industry for portable systems that you can extend your battery life. And lastly, it is intrinsically safe and ATEX rated with all the parts you need for ATEX rating built in the sensor. Let's talk about sensor-to-sensor repeatability. In the past, one PID sensor to the next one out of the box would vary quite a bit. The gains could go as much as 2 times one to the other. The PIDX sensor has a patented manufacturing process and design where we tune or essentially calibrate every sensor to try and make them the same. So when you get one sensor and you replace it with another one, you're going to have a gain that essentially it matches. This makes the sensor more accurate and easiest to use for your application. Secondly, what we've done is we have a photodiode in there where we're looking at the lamp output. So we're continuously monitoring the lamp output. And when that falls below a certain level, we know that the lamp is not providing enough intensity for us to get an accurate reading. We then generate a fault signal. So you know all of the time that your system is working. You don't have a condition where you could be unsafe, where you have a sensor you think is reading correctly and it's not. PID sensors historically have had issues with consistent performance over a wide variety of environmental conditions. At high humidity, the sensor might drift. So we spent significant time redoing our filters, redoing the detector design, the board design to make sure this sensor is the most stable over the environmental conditions that you use it. So if you go outside and the humidity changes, you will not get big jumps or changes in the reading. So this design has the most stable baseline that you will see for any PID sensors from 30% humidity up to 95% RH. We've also designed the sensor to be used in portable handheld applications. It has the lowest power draw of any sensor. We've changed the power supply so that you have consistent power draw throughout the entire voltage range. So as your battery runs down, you always know that this sensor is using 80 milliwatts. Lastly, we have intrinsically safe ratings on the sensor so that you know you can use this in hazardous conditions. All of the intrinsic safe components are built in the sensor, so there's no external components or filters or resistors that you need to add to protect the sensor. This will ease your certification process. Plug and play. You can drop it in and you'll be ready to go. The PIDX sensor is a significant improvement over the sensors that have been in the market up to now. We provide the most accurate sensor that is the easiest to use and implement for OEMs. Please contact Alphasense for additional questions and request samples for you to test on your own.